Welcome to Tech It Simple, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Telegram Service Part 12. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to join a Telegram channel. You can find two types of channels in Telegram. If you want to join a public channel, then you can click on the search icon at the top right of the screen, type the name of the channel there. Once you find it, click on it, and below you will see the join option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will join this channel. Now, if you want to join a private Telegram channel, you will need the invitation link of that channel. If your friend sends you the invitation link of the channel, go ahead and click on that link, and it will take you to that channel. So, this is how you join a Telegram channel. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.